If you want to learn how to calculate the number of the days between two dates in Excel, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you different ways to get the number of the days based on two dates. So first, take a look at this worksheet. Here I have a start date and an end date. And the easiest way to get the number of the days between these two dates is simply by subtracting the start date from the end date, like this. Another way to get the same result is by using the days function in Excel. So in this case, the formula will be equal sign, days, open parentheses, the end date, which is the date in cell B2, and the start date, which is the date in cell B1. Then close parentheses and press enter. A third option to get the same result is by using the DATEDIF function. So the formula will be equal sign, DATEDIF, start date, end date, open quotation marks and type D, close quotation marks and close parentheses. Then press enter. Well, as you can see in these first examples, Excel is calculating the total number of the days between two dates. But sometimes you may need to calculate only work days between two dates. And if that's your case, you can use the NETWORKDAYS function, which counts work days and excludes weekends and holidays. So in this case, the formula will be equal sign, NETWORKDAYS, insert the start date, and insert the end date. If you want to consider holidays dates, simply create a list with those dates and select the range in this last argument of the function. In my case, I will ignore this argument. This will make the formula ignore only Saturdays and Sundays. Then close parentheses and press enter. Well done. Now Excel returns the number of working days excluding Saturdays and Sundays. And finally, there's also something called 316-day calendar, where the year is considered to have 316 days and each month has 30 days. So if you want to count the days between two dates based on this commercial calendar, you can use the days 316 function. In this case, the formula will be equal sign, days 316, insert the start date, insert the end date, then close parentheses and press enter. Now we have the number of the days between two dates based on the commercial calendar. So did you already know any of these ways to count days in Excel? Leave the comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.